Digambar, go.
Okay. Have you started recording? Okay.
Yeah, I have started.
Okay. Great. So guys, Ruturaj Gaikwad from Pune, he's working with InfraCloud. So, and he's one of the expert in Kubernetes and CNCF technologies. And he is one of the OTF core member and leading hackathon in 2021. So I'll hand over to Ritu that, and he'll cover some of the updates on the annual hackathon, which will become conducted next.
Yeah. Thank you,
Ritu,
Digambar.
go
Thank
ahead.
you. Yeah, thank you for the introduction. So, yeah, I'll just briefly update what we are going to do about the hackathon and what this event will be. So, the main idea about this
Go.
hackathon is, yeah, am I audible?
Yep.
Yeah. So the main idea about the hackathon, conducting this hackathon was the to prepare the students right from their college days, so that they have an idea what is going into the industry right now. So starting with the cloud, as we are dealing with the cloud technologies and all, so what we thought of, we can introduce Kubernetes to them, and they can have uh, some workarounds around Kubernetes, and then we can give them an actual task, which is one of the use case faced by the industry right now. And on that basis, we can, give them the task and put it as a hackathon. And of course, the winners will be awarded accordingly. So, keeping this in mind, we have a track what we have said. So the first stage is learning. So the interested candidates, those who have registered, will be uh, uh, in the stage one. They will go through the technologies. So we have right now kept the parallel branches into the introduction right now, so that they have an overall idea, and then they can pick up one of the specialization of in their interest into the last event. So keeping these parallel tracks, we have virtualization. So many students right now, they are not well aware of virtualization and how the things are going on. So to take them from virtualization, from the easy task till the Kubernetes, we have planned accordingly. Then we have Kubernetes, uh, maybe DevSecOps, and machine learning models. The basic idea of this hackathon will be to run the machine learning models onto the Kubernetes using Jupyter Terminal and those kind of tools. So one other track which we thought of introducing is Cube app development. So how can we develop the app from the cloud native perspective and roll it out on Kubernetes? And so that was a track. So we have tagged. And secondly, the last, sorry, there are two more. So considering this, we also added CI/CD pipelines, which is again being practiced in the industry, and many of the students are not aware of that. So any GitHub Actions or Argo CD, something we can work it on it according to the interest of the students, and they can, pick up the task on that. And lastly, one of the higher level topics which we thought of taking it right now is virtual network functions. So right now, as we know that virtual network functions are run on the VMs and all, but there are also the industry trend which is going on to the container network functions. So that is still we are exploring how we can, propagate this high level topics to the students. But if they are interested and they have the bandwidth to take these tasks, we are open to that. So that's why we have included this. In the second stage, we have make. So we have actually given the learning paths on the GitHub of OTF, so that there is a checklist. They have to do themselves self learning. We'll provide them tutorials in the second stage, where they have like actual hands on on the Minikube or Kind clusters, and other related tools which are like package managers, Helm or something, which if they are not aware, they can go over there and make their hands dirty and learn something around it. So that is a make platform, make stage. The third stage, which we thought of grouping. So we have a around Slack channel around a hackathon and Slack for the OTF. There they can interact with each other and share their ideas, share the topics, what they are interested in, and according to their interest, they can group on through the Slack, and we will be assigning mentors to each group, so that we will be assigning mentors to the each group, so that they have like more insights into it and to solve their problems if they have anything, to guide them to the correct path. So we have a team of mentors also, and we have also a call for mentors. Those who are interested, they can join us and contribute to the community. And the last thing is build. So for this, we are actually we will have a pool of use cases which are faced by different mentors from their practical knowledges and all, which is actually some of the industrial problems which they faced and they have solved. So from that pool, we will be allocating the task to the groups, and that will be the actual hackathon, picking up that topic and solving the issue. So in this way, we have actually designed the path for the candidates, and yeah, we have some participations, and more participations always appreciated. So it is a request to everybody to penetrate this news or this hackathon to the large number of audience, so that many people can get help from this, and they can explore what is going on into the industry right now. So these are some of the details of the stage one, uh, and yeah, so to join us, this is the link which will guide you to the uh, registration form and joining our Slack. Once joined our Slack, we can communicate to you and guide you through the further procedure. Yeah, so that was a brief introduction. Any suggestions or any comments on that are appreciated.
So, what is the qualification for the students
Hackathon?
to join late?
Yeah. Yeah, so students who will be joining late, so they have to cover up a little bit around the learning paths, and and join the other students which have already completed the learning path. So that is expected from them. Of course, we are there to help them catch up the pace, and we are there to help them whatever they are actually facing any issues. And for the qualification for hackathon, we have mentioned in the meetup, but again, it is for the engineering students and the freshers who have just passed out.
Hey, question from me. I mean,
Yeah.
currently, what would means, are you only expecting a student participation or any company participation, or anybody can participate and pick the use case?
Right now, actually, we were thinking of having parallel tracks, one for the student level and one for professionals. But as this was just a first event from our side, right now for this year we have actually only for the students, but professionals are welcome to mentor the students right now. we appreciate if mentors are involved, and they can contribute and they can share their knowledge among the students.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so I will stop the share.
Stop the recording.